Welcome aboard! I'm the professor with a bow tie, but not for today. If you're planning to come to Greece for your vacations, then you will need this vocabulary in Greek. Especially if you are traveling by plane, then you should know these 19 Greek words about airports. Let's fly! The first word you definitely should know is the word Aeroplano. Aeroplano is the airplane. Aeroplano. The airport is called Aerodromio. Aerodromio. The third word is aerodiadromos, airstrip, aerodiadromos. And the fourth, aerosinodos. Aerosinodos is the flight attendant. Aeroplano, aerodromio, aerodiadromos, aerosinodos. All these four words are composite words. The common element that all these four words have is the first complex of the words aero. Aeroplano, aerodromio, aerodiadromos, aerosinodos. This means aeras. Aeras is the air. The two parts of the words are aero and plano. Aero and dromio. Aero and diadromos. Aero and synodos. Like in the English word air. Air, air. These two words have in common also the second complex of the word. Dromio and diadromos are related to the word dromos, dromos, that means road. So let's pronounce them one more time. Aeroplano, aerodromio, aerodiadromos, aerosinodos. Aeroplano, aerodromio, aerodiadromos, aerosinodos. The next two words are apoyosi, apoyosi, and prosyosi, prosyosi. Apoyosi means take off and prosyosi landing. The common element of these two words is the second complex of the word, giosi, giosi and giosi. Από γίωση, προς γίωση. The complex γίωση comes from the substantive γη. Γη means land. So, από γίωση means go away from the land, and προς γίωση, I come closer to the land. Από γίωση, προς γίωση. The next three words have in common also the second complex of the word, vivasi, vivasi, vatis. Let's pronounce them. Epivivasi, apovivasi, Epivatis. These are compound words. Apovivasi, Epivatis. All these three composites come from the verb veno, and in ancient Greek means to go. Veno. Epivivasi, boarding. Apovivasi, debarkation. Epivatis, passenger. Epivatis, the person who goes on the plane. So, Επιβίβαση, αποβίβαση, επιβάτης.
Yeah!
Okay, let's continue to the word pilot. Pilotos, pilotos, pilot. The two things that you will definitely need when you are at the airport is your passport and your ID card. Let's see them. Passport. Διαβατήριο. Διαβατήριο. The ID card in Greek is ταυτότητα. Ταυτότητα. Also, you will need your boarding pass, your ticket, and is called εισιτήριο. Εισιτήριο. Another word that you should know is ptisi. Ptisi. Flight. Ptisi. And if your flight is delayed, then you should know the phrase καθυστέρηση πτήσης. Καθυστέρηση πτήσης is the flight delay. But how do we call the heavy suitcases? Βαλίτσες. Suitcases means βαλίτσες in plural. Your βαλίτσες, you can hear them as αποσκευές. Αποσκευές, baggage. Last but not least are two words that you are going to hear at the airport. The words are άφιξη, arrival, άφιξη, and departure, αναχώρηση, αναχώρηση. Arrival, άφιξη, departure, αναχώρηση. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Always in your services, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next one.